Who's there? I'm warning you. I may be a bunny, but I'm still capable of fighting. Oh, wait, where? Oh my gosh. Hi there. Sorry if I scared you. I thought you might have been some kind of predator. Well, aren't you just the smallest thing? Oh, what's your name, little one? Mama, what an adorable name. But I think I'm just gonna stick to the tiny pet names if that's alright. I'm Pam. It's nice to meet you. If I may ask, what's a cute little thing like you doing here? Not that I mind, obviously, just curious. Oh, you're hungry? Oh, poor thing. Well, don't you worry no more. I've got quite a surplus of food from the recent harvest, and I'd have no problem sharing it with you. Oh, of course it ain't no trouble. Us preys gotta stick together, right? I know you ain't an herbivore like me, but you're a little too tiny for me to call you a predator. Not trying to insult you, of course. Now, how's about I pick you up and we can go into my home? You can get yourself warmed up and I can get you some nice food. Would that be okay with you? Great. Now you can just climb into my hand, little mousie. There we go. Hold on, wouldn't want to drop you. I know it's all grass and dirt around here, but I can't imagine it's comfortable to fall on at your height. Alright, let's take you inside. If you don't mind me asking, where are you from, Tiny? I'm just curious. Ah, I see. You live in a burrow not far from here? Any other mice with you? Oh, aren't you lonely with it just being you? Oh, poor thing. I get you, though. It's just me on this little farm. Other than the occasional bugs, anyway. But, yeah, I can get real lonely here. You're the first person I've talked to in a long time, Mousie. Here we are. It ain't much, but it's home. Let me just put you down on the counter. Let me get you some food. But just warning you, since it's just me here, all I've got are fruits and veggies. I hope that's okay. Good. I'll just go get an assortment of food for you. Alright, got you some lettuce, kale, tomatoes, corn, apples, oranges, grapes, and of course, my specialty, carrots. No, it ain't a problem. Like I said, I've got more than enough food, and there's still more to grow, so it's completely alright. You ain't gonna be a burden, little one. You're welcome, Tiny. Now, eat up. Did you like the food, Mousie? Yeah? Oh, I'm glad. I grow all this stuff myself, so I want to make sure it's top quality. Tiny, I was just wondering, since we both live alone and I've got plenty of food to spare, I was just wondering, if you wanted to stay, like on the farm with me? I said before that it's pretty lonely here, and since you're lonely here too. I said before that it's pretty lonely here, and since you're lonely too, I just thought. You don't need to, of course, but I'd really just love spending time with a cute little mouse like you. Plus, I could keep you safe. Like I had said before, I may be a cute little bunny, but I can still fight off most, regular-sized predators. To be honest, I don't think I can fight off a full-grown wolf, but the smaller ones are not a problem for me. These legs of mine can pack a lot of power. Plus, if you'd stayed, you'd get free food. So, would you like to? Please? Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, this will be great. Thank you so much, Tiny. I'm sure we'll be perfect together.